This is an unboxing of men's work boots. Here's a look at the box. The size is US 10, European 43, UK 9. D is medium width. Let's take a look. They come nicely packaged in separate pouches. With a silica gel packet to keep them dry. They also have stuffing inside the boots so that the toe area does not cave in. Very nice looking boots, black leather. These are composite. These are the composite toe, which is great for electricians because they do not conduct electricity as opposed to a steel toe. But these do also come in a steel toe, and they come in a soft toe as well. They also come in a beige color. This is the black color. It says Rock Poster. Again, size 10 USA, size 9 UK, size 43 European. Leather upper, synthetic lining, PU, TPU sole. I was pleasantly surprised at the fit and finish of these boots. They have a toe cap here for added protection right in the front. And these are waterproof, water-resistant type boots with a really thick sole, which is very grippy. I took these boots out of the box a few days ago and tried them on, and they were so comfortable that I wound up walking around the house wearing them for a couple hours. And then I proceeded to go outside. I walked around with them all over the place. I went on concrete, I went on asphalt, and then it started raining, and I wore them while it was raining on the asphalt and the concrete, and they were super grippy, not slippery at all. So that's something to keep in mind. I don't know how they will be in snow because we don't have any snow here in the Chicago area at the moment. Snow is going to be a few months away before I can test that. But you can see that it's a nice gray sole on the bottom of the boot, and it looks like H's all the way across here for some added traction with some tread patterns going in all different directions. Some curved treads up in the front and the back, and then the back is sloped. So when you walk, it makes it easier for your foot to move and gives you a comfortable gait when you're walking. Handles on the front and the back make them very easy to pull on. Sometimes the handles are so small that you can't get your finger in there, but this back handle is so big that you can put your thumb or 2 fingers in there, which makes it very comfortable to pull these on. And they slip off very easily as well. These boots have extra room in the toe box area to enhance the comfort at the toes and reduce foot pain. And they're not super heavy for work boots. I've seen much heavier. Over my 40 years of doing electrical work, I've seen much heavier work boots. This elastic on the side is very flexible, also making them very easy to slip in and out of. But they don't move around when you're walking. You need to get the proper size. I wear a size 10. This is a size 10. They fit me perfectly. So I would say just order the size you normally wear and they will fit you fine. These lightweight elastic-sided work boots have an easy slip-on design, pour-on insoles. For these composite toe men's work boots, offer maximum support and provide immediate relief, consistent performance, and impact absorption, even after repeated impacts and long-term use. The full-grain leather remains extremely breathable, resulting in less moisture from prolonged contact. These are engineered with Coolmax fiber technology. These breathable slip-on work boots for men will control the odor and transport moisture away from your feet so they stay cool and comfortable all the time. They're sturdy and durable. The full-grain leather is extremely strong and durable. Plus, the boots are equipped with long-wearing PU, TPU outsole, which is particularly lightweight, abrasion resistant, acid and alkali resistant, and slip resistant. Molded rubber scuff toe guard will provide added leather protection right here. All in all, a very comfortable, well-made boot. You can see the seams are nice and tight. The threads, the stitching, very nice and tight. No flaws in the stitching. And you may see a couple of white marks on here, a little bit of dirt on the bottom because as I said, I did wear these for a couple of days. They were so comfortable, I didn't want to take them off. As a construction electrician, I've been wearing all different types of work boots, all different brands, and I was very pleasantly surprised by these work boots. They were just very comfortable, very springy in the step. The insole is nice and comfortable. There's a lot of cushion down below. The insole, you can remove it if you want to. If you wanted to replace it, you could, but this is a really nice insole. As you can see here, it says my size 10, and it's black with some yellow dots in the front. But this is a material which has a good grip to it, and it's very flexible. Slides in and out very easily into the boot. Seats itself very easily. No problem getting it back in there. So the insoles that they come with are very comfortable. I see no need to change them. Unless you wear some sort of an orthotic and you want to put that in there, or you have a custom-made insole that suits your foot better, you could remove this easily and insert your own custom insole or orthotic. As far as durability, they seem like they would be very durable. It seems like it will last a long time. Very thick sole on the bottom. Very nice leather, soft leather, cushiony, flexible. As far as how long they'll last, that's hard to say. We'll have to give them a few months and see what happens. So all in all, a very comfortable boot. In my 40 years of doing electrical construction, I would have to say I would be very happy with this boot. If you want to pick up these boots or a variation of these boots, just click down below the video where it says more or show more. And I will also have a discount code there for you that you can use, and you'll get 15% off the purchase of these boots. Thank you very much for watching. Check out some of my other unboxing videos. I'll be doing a lot more unboxing of products, and hopefully we'll find some that are right up your alley, as these boots probably are. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Got to go to shapenation.com. Have a great shape, have a great day.